How to find a Telegram channel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Telegram application. After that, go to the search bar and then go to channels section. Now, what you will have to do is search the words that are related to the channel that you are looking for. Let's say it's cricket. Simply search for cricket and a bunch of cricket channels will appear over here. Tap on the channel that you want to join and then simply tap on join. You can find other as well. So if you type beauty, there will appear some others. If you type football, all the channels related to football will appear. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.